In this session, we are going to see a few examples for the simplification of switching functions using the Boolean algebra. So the first one is a, b, c, d plus a, b bar, c, d. So from these two terms, we can take a, c, d common. Then we'll get the expression as a, c, d into b plus b bar. And from the Boolean algebra, we know that a plus a bar is equal to 1. So here b plus b bar will be 1. So a, c, d into 1 will get the final answer as a, c, d. Second example, a into a plus b. So first we will multiply this a to inside, a dot a plus a dot b. And again from the Boolean algebra we know that a dot a is equal to a. So for this term we'll get a plus ab. Now from these two we can take a outside. If you're taking a outside we'll get it as 1 plus b. So a into 1 plus b. And what is 1 plus a? 1 plus a is 1. So we'll get the answer it as for 1 plus b it will be 1, then a dot 1 will get the final answer as a. So here in the simplification always you remember any term added with 1 the answer will be 1. So if you get any large term plus 1 directly you can write the answer it as 1. So remember this for the simplification purpose. So now the next example, AB plus ABC plus AB into D plus C. So from all these terms we can take AB common. So AB into 1 plus, here we have C plus here D plus E. So AB into 1 plus C plus D plus E. So as I already told you, any function added with 1 directly we can write it as 1. But here I will tell you in steps. So 1 plus C is 1, then 1 plus this term D plus E. Again 1 plus D is 1 plus this E. Then again 1 plus E is 1. So AB into 1, the final answer is AB. So remember, any function added with 1, the answer will be 1. Now the next example, xy plus xyz plus xyz bar plus x bar yz. Now from the first and second term, we will take xy common. So xy into 1 plus z plus xyz bar plus x bar yz. Again, what is 1 plus z? 1 plus z is 1. So xy plus xyz bar plus x bar yz. Again, from the first and second terms, we'll take xy common. So inside we'll get 1 plus z bar plus x bar yz. Again, what is 1 plus z bar? That is 1. So xy into 1, xy. So we'll get xy plus x bar y z. Now from these two, we can take y common. So we'll get the equation as y into x plus x bar z. And what is the absorption theorem of Boolean algebra? It is a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. So here this is in the form of a plus a bar b only. So x plus x bar z is equal to x plus z and this into y. So the final answer is y into x plus z. A bar b c bar d plus a bar b c d plus a b d. So from these two terms we can take a bar b d common. So we'll get c bar plus c plus a b d. And we know that a plus a bar is equal to 1. So this c bar plus c will be 1. So a bar bd into 1 is a bar bd plus this term abd. Now from these two we can take bd common. So this will become bd into a bar plus a. Again what is a plus a bar? It is 1. So bd dot 1, the answer is bd. So now we will see the next example. AB bar plus ab the whole bar. So here we will go for the De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorem? AB the whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. So here we have ab bar. So we are applying that. That is written as a bar plus b bar plus a bar plus ab. Now a bar plus ab is actually a bar plus b. How we are getting that? We know that a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Now in place of a, if it is a bar, how we can rewrite the equation? In place of a, it is a bar. So a bar plus, if a is a bar, what will be a bar? A bar the whole bar. A bar the whole bar will be a. So a bar plus ab, that is equal to, in place of a, we have considered it as a bar. So in place of a, here we'll get it as a bar plus b. So remember, same like a plus a bar b, we can write a bar plus ab is equal to a bar plus b. So that we are applying here, a bar plus ab is equal to a bar plus b. Now here we have a bar plus b bar plus a bar plus b the whole bar. Now what is a plus a? A plus a is equal to a. So here we have a bar plus a bar. Only once we need to write that. So that is a bar plus b bar plus b. Now a bar plus b the whole bar. From this again, what is b plus b bar? We know that a plus a bar is equal to 1. So b plus b bar is 1. So we'll get it as a bar plus 1 the whole bar. Now what is a bar plus 1? Anything added with 1, the answer will be 1. So that is 1 the whole complement. What is 1 the whole complement? 0. So the simplified answer is 0 for the given Boolean function.